Okay, so we got this 2007 Toyota Yaris. If I turn to the right, you hear that turn signal sound. If we turn to the left, it goes faster. And that means one of the light bulbs is burnt out. Now if we take a look, we can see that front blinker is not turning on. The back one is though. So that means the front bulb is burnt out. Okay, let's pop the hood. So I've moved the tire, just turned it so that I have a little bit more room to look at this wheel well section. There's a little plastic clip right here. Okay, this is the automotive type clips that hold the wheel well cover in place. And what we need to do, if you see one on your car that's preventing you from pulling out this cover, just going to take a screwdriver, get it underneath there, and pull this tab up. Let me see if I can do this for you. There. And once the tab is pulled up, you can pull the whole thing out by going underneath there now. And then the tab's out. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Right there, plugged in upside down, is the turn signal light. We need to just turn this a little bit counterclockwise to pull it out. So all I had to do is take off one clip and bend this back a little bit, and I have easy access to this. Okay, let me see. Okay, there it is. Also feels wet back there, so I might try to dry off that area, but this is the burnt out bulb. It looks all nasty and corroded. So let's clean this off and get the next one ready. Okay, so now I'm ready to replace the bulb. Now if we take a close look at the old bulb, we can see that it really wasn't burnt out. It was just so corroded at the bottom that it just deteriorated away and there was no connection. But it's unusable, so I got new light bulb. And I have also, because it was so moist under there and corroded, I've let this sit and dry out for an hour or two. So now that it's dried out and I've cleaned it out a little bit as well, I'm going to try to plug in a new light bulb and make sure this turn signal works. Here are my pack of light bulbs. All right, here we go. I'm just going to throw it in here. All right, I heard it click. Before I just put this back into place, I'm going to test it first. I'm going to get inside the car, turn this turn signal on. Hopefully the fast clicking goes away, and then I'm going to get out and actually make sure this bulb is flashing. All right, it is no longer clicking fast, and it is flashing. All right, let's get it tucked back in the right place and try it again. To put the bulb in place, we're just going to slide it back into its socket, but this time turn it clockwise. All right, looking good. And the only other thing we need to do is reclip in the wheel well. And then once it's partially in, then you push this button back in and it should clip itself back in. Now we are set.